Most floors are just planks, but in luxury design, a floor is a canvas. Welcome to the world of high-end geometric parquet where precision meets artistry. Let's see how it's made. First, automated machines cut the wood veneer into precise geometric shapes. Then, our team hand selects and sorts every single piece, ensuring only the highest quality veneers make the cut. Next, the true artistry. Our master craftsmen assemble every panel entirely by hand. It takes years of experience to align the natural grains perfectly, allowing the wood to catch the light from every angle. Once assembled, each veneer piece is fixed onto the core base using eco-friendly glue. It then goes through a high-temperature hot press, perfectly fusing them into a complete engineered flooring panel. We'll be showing you every single stage of our wood flooring production. If you're interested, hit that subscribe button. To claim your free product samples, just check the contact info in the description below.